In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a clip in ClickUp. Screen recordings are a great way to explain tasks, walk teammates through a process, or quickly share feedback without jumping on a meeting. I'll walk you through exactly how to use ClickUp's built-in clip feature, step by step, so you can start creating clear visual updates right inside your workspace. First, open your ClickUp workspace and head to the list or dashboard where you're working. This can be any list, folder, or space. The clip feature is available from your main ClickUp interface. Make sure you're on the screen you want to reference in your recording so you can get started smoothly. Now, look towards the top right corner of your ClickUp window. Here, you'll see a small camera icon. This is the clip recording tool. Go ahead and click on that camera icon. When you do, ClickUp will open a recording panel that gives you a few options before you start capturing your screen. In this panel, you'll see a drop-down that usually says Entire Screen by default. This setting controls what part of your computer will be recorded. Click on that drop-down to choose the recording area. You'll be given three main options: Entire Screen, Window, or Current tab. If you choose Entire Screen, everything on your monitor will be recorded, including any apps or windows you switch to. This is useful if you need to move between different tools during your explanation. If you select Window, you can pick a specific application window to record, such as just your browser or a single program. Finally, Current tab will only record the browser tab you're currently on, which is ideal if you want to keep the focus strictly on what's happening in that one ClickUp view. Next, look for the microphone icon in the recording panel. If you want to record your voice along with the video, click this microphone icon to enable audio. Make sure your microphone is properly connected and selected on your computer so your voice comes through clearly. If you prefer a silent, visuals-only clip, you can leave the microphone turned off. Once you've chosen what to record and decided whether to include audio, you're ready to start. Click on the Record Clip button. ClickUp will begin capturing your screen based on the options you selected. From there, you can walk through your task, demonstrate your process, and then stop the recording when you're done. Your clip will be saved in ClickUp, ready to share.